Jerry Springer yourself in your truck and leave me alone.
I'm not even Jerry.
I'll show you exactly what this truck driver does. There it is, right there. So you said I'm doing 20, 25 through a parking lot, slam my brakes, right?
15 and 20.
Well, you're wrong because it's between 7 and 11. There's a miles per hour. Well, go back for you. Okay, there it is. At 12, 10, 11. That's less than 20, 25.
But that's still a little too fast for the parking lot.
There's 8.
Yeah.
Really? That's actually pretty good speed to me. So
also you stop.
Do not come up and say I did something you're not sure. You're in the driver's seat, I'm on your passenger seat side, all right?
Well, when you hit the brakes and all of a sudden you come like
that.
I
did it.
When I saw
the speed's right on there, sir, all right?
Yeah.
No, I didn't do nothing to you. Why are you messing with me?
Well, you know how many times I've seen people get injured, hurt, killed because of people that are going through parking lots too fast?
Well, of course, and I agree with that, but I still didn't
have
do
you
it.
Have you ever seen somebody get killed?
You know what I do? Of
course. Have you ever?
All the time. You know what I do?
How many times have you seen
I work with police on this stuff, and I turn in reckless truck drivers and drivers.
Okay.
All right, and I got all kinds of video of it. But don't come up here and scream at me saying I did something.
I didn't scream at you, because if I was screaming
you said I was going 20 to 25,
well, it looked like
and I was going through it. You don't know because you're in the passenger of that truck, or no, I'm sorry, you're in the driver's side, just sitting there doing whatever at your steering wheel. I'm on the passenger side, so you have no way of telling. All right?
But you still came in a little bit too fast.
No, it was
by my
standard. No,
by my standard.
Usually I don't do this because I don't care what people say, right? I usually walk out. I want to come up and show it to you because truck drivers like you go up and start trouble with other people. I didn't do nothing to you, all right?
I just said, hey, you came up a little fast.
You said I went 20.
I wasn't screaming. Now I can.
You said I went 20 to 25, which is a
15
big.
to 20.
No, you didn't.
15,
you said 20 to 25.
15 to 20.
Slamming my brakes. You cannot slam your brakes going about 7 and 11. When I pulled up there, I was going about 7.
You jerked forward a little bit.
It don't matter if I'm jerking or not. I actually went way under the speed limit. It's 20.
Okay, so, by coming through the parking lot, and on top of that, now you're accusing me of screaming at you.
Well, you did. You should just let me alone about my business.
At you, I can show you what screaming
now,
is.
Did you see anywhere in this video I did 15 to 20?
No.
All right, end of story. Don't accuse me of that.
Now you're accusing me of screaming at you.
I'm accusing you of being an idiot. All right?
I'm not. The other thing is, I know you're recording this, and on top of that,
I have
the other thing is, do you want me to show you screaming at you?
Come here.
Do you want me to see you?
You see?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Call my company up. My code is CROJC. And tell them I'm speeding through the parking lot. Watch what happens.
Now you accuse me of screaming at you. Now, if you want me to show you
the best thing to do is just get in your truck, go about your business.
No.
Did I show you what I did?
You did show it to me. Yes, you did.
And do I have to do that? Do I have to do that?
No, but
okay,
now
you
accuse
me
of screaming at you.
You did.
I didn't even scream at you. See, you're trying to justify yourself because somebody's actually confronting you.
Yeah, and I confronted you and told you to mind your business,
I was wrong,
right?
Yeah, and then you accused me of screaming at you.
You did.
I
You're
did
out
not.
there pointing, well, you did this. You were speeding through the parking lot, slamming the brakes.
I'll
do I look like a reckless driver? Do you think I was driving reckless
I don't
through
know
here?
you, so I really couldn't say.
Do you think I was driving reckless through
the
here?
other thing is when you go like this,
that's not
when
reckless
you hit
driving.
Your brakes and the whole damn truck goes forward like that.
It don't matter. I was going 7.
And that's saying you hit
7.
The brake
I was going 7 miles an hour.
When you go like this and the whole truck
it don't matter
suddenly, That's hitting the brakes a little hard.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
What law says I can't hit the brakes hard going at 7?
That's saying
Does
that
it?
you're going a little bit too fast when you did
Oh,
that.
no, it doesn't.
Yes, it
what
does.
law says I can't go 7 miles an hour and hit the brakes hard? I did under.
Well,
I did. Did I do underneath the speed limit?
Yeah. No.
All right. In the story, I
No,
won.
it isn't. Because you're trying to justify it for your little video that you're saying, "Oh, I didn't do nothing wrong."
Do me a favor, all right? Go out, truck, mind your business, all right?
Well, you came up to me this second.
Mind your business.
I am minding my business.
Okay, then we're done. Have a nice day.
We're not.
Go in there, make your money, and I'm gonna go. All right?
Yeah, because you have your little video now.
Goodbye.
Okay,
I will
bye.
tell you in front of your face without this. I'm just doing this to prove a point to something. All right?
Well, yeah. And
Yep.
if I see this on YouTube or anything like that, that'd be slander. So.
Okay, well, it's going on YouTube. I'll tell you what it is. It's Jcmagic7. It's
Okay.
going to be titled, "A Truck Driver Goes Around and Accuses People of Stuff." So,
Trust me, there will be comments too.
all right. Yep. So guess
Yeah,
what?
so you better keep your straight.
Goodbye. Bye.
Yeah,
I'm
and-
done arguing because I'm going to make money, all right? Don't confront me no more unless you got
you came up to
evidence that
came up
I
to
was
me.
speeding through a parking lot. So
You came up to me.
take your Jerry Springer self in your truck
I'm not
and leave
even
me
Jerry-
alone
I'm not even Jerry
and take
Springer.
care and do me a favor, all right?
You're getting funny now.
Do not worry about other people.
Yes,
Worry
I
about
do,
yourself.
because you are around people.
Bye.